Greetings everyone, Stu. Welcome back to the channel. You might have noticed the absence of this one. Why is that? Because this one has replaced it. Air Canada operates the Rouge brand and usually pulls it from daily flights during the winter season and replaces it with the Air Canada brand into Montego Bay, Jamaica.
118 from clear to line 07, wind 050 degrees 14 knots.
Land 7 Southwest 99.
Let me entertain you with the day-to-day operations of Sangster's International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. From the landings and takeoff to close-up views of captains in their cabins, to glimpses of the airport's environment and surroundings. All this is complemented by the sweet sound of the modern aircraft engine or your air traffic controllers and the pilots communicate. So if you love airplanes, here's a chance to enjoy from your comfort zone.
Arrive 23, vacate Bravo and ground 1217. American 2618, clear to land on wind 07, wind 050 degrees 13 knots.
Runway 7, American 2618.
Tower, hello, American 2620, RNAV, RT07.
2620, St. Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
American 2620.
2618, arrived at 290, vacate Alpha, contact the ground 1217, then clear the runway.
Tower Transat 517, holding short 07, we're ready when you are.
That 517, St. Tower, roger. Stand by departure, hold short 07.
07 at Transat 517.
American 2620, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees 14 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, American 2620.
American 2620, arrived at 34, vacate Alpha, contact ground wing clear 121.7. Five 517, wind 060 degrees 11 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
left runway 07 and Transat 517.
Roger. Land of only 07.
07 American 682.
.519 airborne 36, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Marshall, that's 517 120.8, confirm.
American 682, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Let's take off 07 American 682.
Floor 7, behind the landing Cessna 206, short final, runway 07, line up and wait behind.
The 206 on short final, line up and wait behind Copa 147.
American 682, airborne 390, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Radar 120.8, American 682, good day.
Copa 147, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 10 knots.
Off runway 07, Copa 147.
Copa 147, airborne 50, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
0.8, Copa 147.
Linear 955, cleared to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 11 knots.
07, Hotel 955.
Wings 833, thanks to Tower Roger. Continue approach, runway 07. Reduce the minimum approach speed.
Runway 7, reduced to minimum approach speed, Spirit 833.
Hotel India 955, arrived 1800. Vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217. 833 cleared to land, runway 07, wind 050 degrees 9 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, Spirit Wings 833.
Number 808, Delta Tango, airborne at 01. Contact thanks to radar 120.8 today.
848, Delta Tango.
Tree around 03, vacate runway via taxiway also. When clear runway, contact thanks to ground 121.7 today.
Yeah, Alpha, then switch to ground for Spirit 833.
The 1997 RP runway 07.
907, thanks to Tower Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach, Delta 1997.
73 Tower, confirm fully ready.
273 will be ready.
73 thanks to Tower Roger, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 05010 knots, no delay.
No delay, clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 273.
Great, Tower, confirm this frequency.
Frontier Flight 48.
Roger, hold short runway 07.
Runway 07, Frontier Flight 48.
One 997, thanks to Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 06011 knots.
Clear to land, runway 07, Delta 1997.
73 airborne 08, contact thanks to radar 120.8 today.
0.8, Southwest 273.
Thanks to Tower, line up only runway 07.
Runway 07, Frontier Flight 48.
1997 arrived 11. Vacate runway via taxiway Alpha. When clear runway, contact Sanks to ground 121.7.
Clear to Alpha 217 Delta 1997. For American 1138, holding short 07.
And 1138, Sanks to Tower, roger. Hold short runway 07. Stand by.
Left 1138.
Frontier 48, wind 050, 11 knots. Clear takeoff runway 07.
Off runway 07, Frontier 548.
American 1138, Sanks to Tower, below runway 07.
07, American 1138.
Tree 8, Sanks to Tower, wind 06, 0 degrees, 11 knots. Clear takeoff runway 07.
Yeah, 07, American 1138.
Airborne 1 tree, contact radar 120.9 today.
Might have a good day, Frontier 548. Tower American 1120 inbound RNP runway 7.
American 1120, Sanks to Tower, roger. Wind 06, 0 degrees, 11 knots. Clear to land runway 07.
Land runway 7, American 1120.
Tree 8, Airborne 15, contact Sanks radar 120.8 today.
120.8, American 1138, good day.
Wrap 17, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha, when clear contact ground 1217.
Turn right on Alpha and contact ground 12117, American 1120. And 07 is ready for departure runway 7.
7 Sanks to Tower, roger. Wind 050 degrees, 12 knots, clear takeoff runway 07.
Off runway 07, Southwest 906. Blue 212
126, thanks to Tower, Roger, hold short runway 07, stand by.
Hold short runway 07, 2126.
Nine 07 airborne 20, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
Hey, Southwest, 9072. Wait, runway 7, JetBlue 2126.
Blue 2126, transit tower, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 050 at 11 knots.
Runway 17, JetBlue 2126.
621, we're Usain for runway 07.
21, thanks to tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
I will continue JetBlue 621.
Thanks to tower, confirm, ready?
Negative for transat 45.
45, thanks to tower, Roger, hold short runway 07, stand by.
Okay, holding short on the 07 for transat 45.
126, airborne 23, contact radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, JetBlue 2126, good day.
Blue 621, thanks to tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 at 11 knots.
Clear line 07 to 621.